Welcome back. I'm now in this chapter going to show you how to set up and process a single payment in PayGuard. So once your team member has logged into their profile in our app, our browser-based app, they will see in front of them this box here with on the top right-hand corner details of their agent PIN. And this enables me to make an outbound call or receive an incoming call and associate that call with PayGuard so that I can take a payment securely. So for the purposes of this demonstration, the system is going to call me on this number, and it's going to call the customer on this number, but this is actually my mobile phone. So I'm spoofing that for the purpose of this demonstration. So I've clicked that now, and I'm going to answer that call, and then I'll answer the customer side call as well. Okay, so I now have a live call in progress. So the next thing for me to do is to enter my agent PIN, which is 33, on my telephone, so that the system knows who I am on this telephone call and can associate my details to the payment that I'm going to set up. So we've got some information here about the actual phone call, who's on it and what numbers have been dialed and the time and date. So I now just go to the Pay tab and I type in the amount that I would like to collect. I can forward date that or just leave the date to today's date, and I can then also put in a reference number, which would typically at this stage be a customer ID. I've then got in this drop down here, the recur drop down, an opportunity to change that from just a single payment to a different type of payment, but we're going to just do a single payment here. I've also got an opportunity to add another separate payment by clicking that button there, but again, this is just going to be a single payment. So now I choose assisted card from the method drop down, and that essentially just means that the customer is going to stay on a live phone call with me while I'm collecting the payment from them. So I hit confirm, and now I would ask the customer for their name and the cardholder's address details. So the actual cardholder's address details aren't mandatory, but you do want to capture the name on the card. And it's now time to ask the customer to enter the numbers on their card details, the long card number on their keypad. So I'll start doing that now, and you should see these begin to appear on the screen as I type those in. And the expiry date, and then the security code. Okay, so we will show the first 4 digits and the last 4 digits of the security code, of the card number. We'll show all of the expiry date, and we will mask out all of the security code. Once I've collected all that information, I hit confirm. If I then have this error checking screen here, I'm able to decide whether I've made an error and I need to go back and amend it, or I hit submit. And that will go off to the payment service provider for processing, and you can see that's very quickly come back now with a successful outcome. And we have here a unique ID for that transaction, which I can copy if I need to paste that into a CRM or some other sort of system locally. I've also then got an opportunity to put in another reference number. So that might be a product ID, for example. If I've already put in the customer number, I've got an opportunity here also to send the customer a templated payment confirmation. And that would be then received in your company colours and branding. I can also transfer that customer to a post-call customer satisfaction survey, or if I've created a pick list of telephone numbers that I might need to transfer that call to for further work, then I can just do that, and we will drop one side, the agent side of the call, and initiate another call to the other destination and bridge the two. Here we can add notes about that interaction, and that will then be appended to the record, and also I can apply a tag so that I'm able to then use that for reporting purposes. Okay, so once I've done all of that, I hit back to start, and I'm ready to start all over again. So that's everything for taking a single payment in PayGuard.